that clears my mind. I'm all for a good start. I hear those jingle bells, people singing about love. It feels like I'm a kid, like I'm forever young. And that's why I wanna sing about the Christmas on its way. A reason to hang around and celebrate this day. Everyone's smiling and it's snowing. It's the time of year again. I'm happy you're here, my winter wonderland. I'm walking around making small talk with people that pass me by. I share a laugh, it gives me joy that everyone's having a good time. I hear those jingle bells, people singing about love. It feels like I'm a kid, like I'm forever young. And that's why I wanna sing about the Christmas on its way. A reason to hang around and celebrate this day. Everyone's smiling and it's snowing. It's the time of year again. I'm happy you're here, my winter wonderland. No, it's the time of year, winter wonderland. My winter wonderland. Come on in, come on up, come on over for the merriest time of year.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, the Baking Diva. Well, I'm here with Santa, and some of my friends have done what they call the holiday tag, and I thought, maybe I'll do one too. I like tags. Life with Wendy and Life with Patty and Glitzy Fritzy, they did holiday tags, and I thought they were a lot of fun. So I thought maybe I would do one today. I am going to be filming my cookie recipe later, the one I told you. The hint was chocolate, espresso, but for now I'm going to do this tag. I like tags because you get to know a little bit more about some of your subscribers when they do a tag. So here we go. There's 15 questions here. Alrighty. The first one is, did you shop on Black Friday? Did I go to the store and shop? No way. I did that many years ago. We went out in like the middle of the night and we went to these outlet stores and it was crazy. It was freezing cold, and I mean freezing. They wouldn't let you into the stores until a certain time. I think it was the Gap, I'm not sure. They actually came outside and handed everybody those hand warmers, and I swore never again. It was brutal. But did I shop online on Black Friday? Yes. I came home that night and sat down with my little iPad and had some fun doing my Christmas shopping. But no, I did not go to the store. Next question. Christmas cookies or candy? Huh? Now that's a silly question for the Baking Diva. Of course cookies. And I'm all done. I just have 2 more I want to make. My 4 grandsons each gave their request for cookies they like. So yes, the answer to that is cookies. Next is real or faux tree. Well, when my kids were young, we used to go out to the tree farm and we used to cut down our own tree. In fact, we even have some old videos of us doing that. It was so cute. My kids were little. They had their little jackets on and their hoods, and my hubby was on the ground with the saw. And I remember one year it was so much fun because it started snowing while we were doing that, and it was a lot of fun. But no, as the years went on, we replaced the real tree with the faux tree. I just thought I like to enjoy my tree a little bit longer. And with the faux trees, you can put them up earlier and take them down later without having to worry about it. And this year I got a new tree. We got a new tree. And it is, a flock tree. I think it's my favorite tree of all. Sorry, that's my parrot in the background with her big mouth because she wants to steal the show and be in my video. But we got a flock tree, and if you look back on one of my videos, you'll see I did a baking themed tree this year. I just love it. So faux tree. White lights or colored lights? I'm a white light person. I just like the white lights. I think they look so pretty. Don't get me wrong, I like colored lights too, but if I had to choose, I would say white lights. Do you get excited for holiday gift sets? Well, I don't usually get many holiday gift sets, but would I be excited to get one? Of course! If it has makeup in it, why not? I love makeup and I love skincare. So I would have to say, would I get excited? Somebody gave me maybe a Sephora or an Ulta gift set? You betcha. Let me see the next question. Make ornaments or store-bought? Nowadays, it's more store-bought. But years ago, I loved to do crafts, so I used to make a lot of ornaments. I had all the kids' ornaments that they made in school on the tree, ornaments I made. We went through the stringing the popcorn, those cinnamon ornaments you put on your tree, all those fun things. But now, pretty much store-bought. Whenever I can grab something that goes with my baking theme, I'm there. Let's see. Do you peek at the presents or like to be surprised? Well, I plead the fifth on that one. I like to be surprised, but once in a while, I've been known to peek. What can I say? Oh, there goes the clock again. Alrighty. Use wrapping paper or gift bags. Prefer gift bags, of course. They're so much easier. I've been buying them from QVC, those plastic reusable bags with the ribbon on the top, and you drawstring them and tie a bow, and they couldn't be easier. But for the gift set, I don't have a bag that will fit in it, then I'll wrap them with wrapping paper. But my first choice is, of course, gift bags. Let's see. Favorite holiday movie? Well, I have a few. I liked the old movie Miracle on 34th Street. I always go back and watch that. The black and white movie. That one I really liked. I like The Grinch That Stole Christmas. I mean, the message behind that is great, and I like it. Not so much the cartoony one, but I like the regular Grinch That Stole Christmas movie. White Christmas is always a favorite, but that's about it. Let's see. Favorite holiday song. I did a tag like this a few years ago with the cameraman. In fact, if you go back and want to see the cameraman in a video, you can watch the holiday tag we did. We actually did a couple. We did one in the fall and we did one for Christmas. And I don't know why it is. One of my favorite songs is I'll Be Home for Christmas. I don't know why. It's a sad song. I'll be in a store shopping and they're playing the Christmas songs in the background and that song will come on and I'm bawling in the store. I don't know why. But I do love that song. When I was a kid, I loved that song. I Saw Mommy Kissing Santa Claus. I saw Mommy kissing Santa Claus. I'm not going to sing anymore because I don't want to get a strike from YouTube. But I love that song. I Saw Mommy Kissing Santa Claus. And of course, who doesn't like Mariah Carey's song? That's a great one, right? What's the name of that song again? Hey, cameraman! Cameraman! What's Mariah Carey's song again? I just heard that it hit #1 this year for the first time, and that song's been out for 25 years or something. Why can't we remember the name of a song we like? Ay, ay, ay. I know. All I Want for Christmas Is You. So that's one of my favorites too. Let me see. Dress up or dress down for Christmas dinner? I'd say somewhere in between. I don't dress up like I'm going to a ball, but I don't look like a slob either. Somewhere in the middle. I like to look nice. One year, I think it was last year or the year before, I had all the family come in their PJs. That was a lot of fun. And they loved it. Everybody was so comfortable in pajamas and slippers, and that was fun. But I would say somewhere in the middle. Let me see. Favorite holiday tradition? Well, when I was young, when I was a kid, I'm Italian. So the big holiday tradition was on Christmas Eve. They had all the fishes. Now you're talking to someone here who doesn't like fish. And I used to say, oh gosh, isn't there something here I can eat? So if they had pasta with the fish in it, I would pick out the fish and all. And we always had the tradition that it was a big family at the time. Now we're small. But all the kids had to wait till midnight on Christmas Eve to open any of their gifts that the aunts and uncles brought over. And that was a killer. We would be hovering around that tree like, can't we open something now? And then I went through a phase where my kids were allowed to open one gift on Christmas Eve, and I always gave them pajamas. I remember every year for many years, my daughter always got a new pair of pajamas for Christmas. Now, I host Christmas dinner, and every year since my husband and I first started dating up till now, we always hang Christmas stockings for each other, and we fill each other's Christmas stockings, and that's always fun. We wait till we're both up in the morning and have a cup of coffee, and then we together empty our Christmas stockings. So that's kind of fun. Let me just think. Oh, I know. It's not a tradition, but one of my favorite memories from when I was young was driving to my grandmother's house or my aunt's house on Christmas Eve, and my dad had the radio on, and we would be listening to where Santa was in the world at that time. And my brother and I would be looking up at the sky, and that was really exciting. And that's something I always remembered. It was so much fun. Let me see. Next question. Do you set New Year's resolutions? Not anymore. I like to think I set goals. Well, I'll call them goals because I used to set New Year's resolutions, but I don't keep them. Keep them for a while and then forget about them and don't keep them anymore. So let's just say goals. Something that I want to do in the new year and try to work on. Yeah, I think that's a good answer for that one. Let's see. Do you stay in or go out on New Year's Eve? We stay in. We used to go out when we were youngins. We get a babysitter for the kids, and we go out with a bunch of couples that we knew, and we go to a restaurant or something, and maybe they had dancing and all. But as we got older, we just stayed in. Sometimes we'll go out for an early dinner because the restaurants are crazy on New Year's Eve, and they're so expensive. So we'll go out maybe for an early dinner, and then we just come home. We have some snacks and watch the ball come down on TV, and that's fine with me. Last question. Well, it's not really a question. It says tag people. Who are you tagging? Well, I'm tagging all of you. Whoever wants to do this tag can feel free to do it. I'm not dressed in character today, but I do have my snowball earrings on. Does that count? Well, anyway, in case I don't see you, I want to wish Bubba. In case I don't see you, I want to wish each and every one of you a very, very Merry Christmas. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, you don't want to miss Crazy Diva with her tags like this and her recipes. So go down below and bing, hit that red subscribe and the little bell next to it. You'll get a notification every time I have a new video that I'm putting up. Doesn't cost a thing, so what do you have to lose? Helps my channel to grow. So anyway, once again, Merry Christmas, everyone. I hope to see you again soon. Feel free to do this tag. It's so much fun when the YouTubers get to know a little bit more about each other. So anyway, I'll see you soon. And Santa's watching. So anyway, have a great week. Toodles!